Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a family insurance plan with Aetna. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Aetna website. Locate the Insurance Plans section on the homepage. Click on the Family Insurance option for more details. Review the various family plan options available. Choose the plan that best fits your family's needs. Once you've selected a plan, click on Get a Quote. Fill in the necessary information about your family members. Provide details such as ages and health status. After completing the form, click on Submit. Wait for the personalized quote to be generated. Review the quote carefully, noting coverage options and premiums. If you have any questions, use the provided customer service contact options. When ready, click on Enroll Now to begin the enrollment process. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in with your credentials to access the enrollment page. Fill in the required forms with accurate information. Double-check all details to ensure everything is correct. Submit your application once you are satisfied with the information provided. Wait for a confirmation email regarding the acceptance of your application. Once approved, review the policy documents sent to your email. Download and save copies of the important documents for your records. Familiarize yourself with your policy coverage and benefits. Keep contact information for customer service handy for future reference. Regularly review your family insurance plan to ensure it still meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.